Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to calculate this expression, which is 9 divided by 3 times 4 divided by 3 whole square. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In the base we have 2 divisions and 1 multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 9 divided by 3, which equals 3. So we have 3 times 4 divided by 3 whole square. No, 3 times 4 gives us 12. So 12 divided by 3 whole square. And 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So 4 to the power of 2. And 4 square is equal to 16. Therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 16.